What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing a regular BTC technical analysis. And if you watched my last video, I talked about BTC coming to retest this area of support, and before we'll see a further move to the upside. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm recording this on a Sunday, and Mondays most times is the day of tanking. Like the day we most times experience most downturns and corrections. I've actually talked about it in one of my videos where I talked about all of the key facts you need to know about Bitcoin, the days to trade it, the days to open long positions, short positions. I would link it to this video. So we're expecting a move to the downside, something around this area. We just have to see how price interacts with this area before we could make a decision whether to go long. But most likely we're going to go long, but we just need to see how price will react within this region, because the histogram on the weekly is positive. It's to the bullish side, so the weekly histogram is bullish, so which actually tells us that we're going long. Um, it actually tells us we're going long. So this is the weekly histogram. It's to the bullish side. So, but we just have to see how price will react within this range, within this particular, will I say, um territory or border or whatever. It doesn't matter, so we just have to see how price will react. Although we're seeing a bullish divergence right around this place, this could signify that this temporal downtrend is over, but we just still need to look at it and wait up until the evening of a Monday, because most times Mondays is followed by sharp crashes. It's just often very sharp in terms of sell-offs. So we just have to wait and see how Monday would behave, how price will behave on Monday, which is tomorrow, and then we could make a decision to go long. So basically, I'm also looking at my altcoin position, and one of them is EGLD. I'm looking at this particular position, and this is also showing us bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame, but I'm still waiting until Monday just to see if the market will crash further. So I've also outlined a zone somewhere within this region and just see how price will react. You see, most traders actually use a lot of crazy fancy names, liquidity sweep, blah blah blah. But actually, what really matters, the most important entity in trading is price. Price is the only leading indicator you can find. And so, most times when you outline an area, you need to wait and see how price will interact in that area. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. I also make a video and tell you if we should go long or short. Sorry, if where we should go long, because we're most likely we're going to go long because the weekly histogram is positive, which is the bulls are in control and we want to trade with them, not trade against them. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.